Hello everybody out there, it is Anna coming to you on this. It's a rather grey day here where I am in Canberra, Australia. For those of you that don't know me, I am a manifesting coach, so I help empower women to break through their fears and doubts of not feeling good enough to manifest their desires. Now, I was out last night at an astronomy evening, and what we were doing, we went up to the top of this mountain, and this astronomy evening, they had talks happening and all of these different telescopes pointing on different things. And we went into, and it was a beautiful clear night, and I just love being, I just love being under the stars, and I love all of that stuff, and the stuff that we can't put our hands on, basically. So anyway, I was in this talk, and I was listening to this scientist talk about the universe. So there were all these beautiful images, and he had this big screen above him with the pictures of galaxies. Now, the information that he shared, hey Vivian, the information that he shared actually related. It made me realize, us, like this, the vastness of the universe. And here we are, this tiny little pinpoint in this galaxy. Now, he was talking about, what I found really interesting was he was talking about how galaxies, so we've seen photos of galaxies that move in circular motion. Now, he was saying that, hi Anamika, he was saying that if something moves in a circular motion in harmony and order, that there has to be a central force in the center in order to create this rotational pull, right? But he said that the universe is expanding at such a rate that there is an external force that is pulling against this internal force that is keeping that harmony. It's keeping us in our solar system. And I thought that was really fascinating. Now, this is what I found, how what the universe and us have in common. Now, within us, there is a central force that's keeping us alive, that keeps us, well, how do I say this? There's an internal force that keeps us centered. And when we're in that force, when we're in that internal focus, that internal force, life is harmonious, okay? We then live in balance, just like the galaxies spin around with this internal focal point that keeps it all together. Now, there's an external force, okay, in the galaxies that he said, or the universe, that is expanding the universe. Now, and he called this dark forces. Now, they don't understand the nature of dark forces. They don't understand how it works, but they just do know that they're there. Hey Belinda, welcome to the call. Hey Stanislaw, welcome to the call. So this is what I found fascinating. Now, when we're focused, when we're in the present moment, we're harmonious, as I was saying. But there's these external forces that pull our attention away. There's these external forces, you can call them dark forces if you like, because they can be quite catastrophic, but there's these external forces around us that shift our perspective, that make us actually lose our way in life. Now, the same thing is with manifesting. When we want to manifest, we need to tap into that internal force, that internal being. It's exactly like the same as the galaxy. And I was thinking about that a lot today. The thing that keeps us harmonious, the thing that helps us to attract what we desire, is internal focus and internal force. Now, we live our reality, we live our lives based on the external force. That is what keeps pulling our attention away. That is what keeps pulling our focal central point of who we truly are. And this is just so fascinating, because it relates so much to the chaos that we have in our lives. When we focus on those external forces, in other words, our senses perceive our reality. Our senses and our subliminal internal dialogue and language of who we think we are, those things take away, pull away from what we need to tap into to have a harmonious, happy, healthy life with manifesting our abilities. So think about that. Think about that for a moment. Where do you place your focus and attention? Do you place it on the external reality of all of those things that call your attention? The things that you're seeing, the job, the drama, the money, all of those things that cause you disharmony in your life. Do you place your attention and your focus on them? How do you shift that then? You shift your focus. You shift your focus to internal. You shift your focus to feelings. And one of the ways to do that, to shift your internal focus, is you just close your eyes. You close your eyes and you shut off what's pulling you externally, like those dark forces, the dark forces of the universe that are expanding the universe. Think about that. Contemplate that. If you want to learn or know how to manifest the things that you desire in your life, the things that you perceive are missing in your life, you need to, hi Saskia, hi Marina, welcome to the call. So you have to bring your attention back to that focal point of your existence, of your reality. That is who you truly are. That is how you function in the world. The clearer you are on who you are, the more focused and central you are to heart connection, to soul connection, whatever you want to call it, the more you tap into those authentic, natural, inbuilt forces that give you harmony in your life, that help you create the life that you truly desire. So next time you're struggling with these external forces that are pulling your attention away from this internal guidance system, just switch your focus. Switch your focus from what is appearing on the external world and just switch it to your internal stillness. Your internal stillness is your guidance system. Your internal stillness is your connection. Your internal stillness helps you live in harmony. So just picture, you can have a picture, you can use that as your anchor. You picture the photos of the galaxies and how they're spinning in a circular motion. Everything is circular motion. We have the chakras, the energy centers, everything moves in a circular motion. So hold that thought. Let me know what you're thinking about that, whether it resonates with you, whether you have any connections to that, whether it makes sense to you. So, hey Gordy, welcome. Hi Lisa. So that's how you are very similar to the universe. We have this internal central self that keeps harmony and balance in our lives and helps us to manifest what we desire. Or we have those external dark forces that they call that universal pull that's expanding the universe at an incredible rate. So focus on your internal. So guys, I also help people, like I was saying earlier, manifest, and I do free coaching calls or free 30-minute manifesting mastery calls. If you want to jump on a call with me, if you'd like me to help you to uncover what's holding you back from really having what you desire, living the life that you desire, then I'll post a link below and book a call. You never know what can happen. So I will talk to you all again soon. So remember, focus on your internal forces rather than the external forces that pull you away from your authentic power. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye for now.